particularly finally got it. Here it goes. She's coming down, man. Give it a couple more whacks. I can hear it from here. This tree's killing me. There it goes. Get out of there. It's going. Okay, a couple more hits maybe. You know what? There it's going. Get out of there. Get out of there. It's coming down, Dad. Dad, get out of there. It's going now. Here it is. Oh, frick. Ha! Oh, man. Oh, whoa. Oh, ah! Oh my gosh, I got that on video. We destroyed 2 trees. Oh my gosh. That was a thud. Did you get your barn back? Is it okay? Oh, so it would have been intact? This is a big tree. This went halfway to the shed. You should see the carnage. Oh my gosh. So right here, this is my wedge decision right here. Why is there little bits of metal in here? This is all that was holding it? This is all that was holding it? Those little pieces? Oh my gosh.